Many a times it so happens that the time is not yet ripe for a hair transplant. On other times, the doctor advises you that you are permanently unfit for a hair transplant because of several reasons. Now, what do you do in this case? And can a doctor let despondency creep in and do nothing about what troubles his client? So what are the options? I'm going to tell you a secret which most people do not know. So hang on. Now picture the scenario. A man enters a room full of people and his scalp is gleaming in the light. But wait, what's that? A splendid beard, full and luxuriant, commands attention. And suddenly the conversation shifts from is he balding to wow, what a magnificent beard. And this is akin to a theatrical performance in which the lead actor stumbles on his words, but then magically the supporting actor steals the show, captivating the audience with a performance, leaving the audience enraptured. In the pursuit of confidence and charisma, both in the professional as well as the social circles, individuals often grapple with the challenge of baldness. Whether through genetics, through aging, or other factors, a receding hairline is known to dampen self-confidence, self-assurance, self-esteem. And amidst this follicular challenge, and known to very few, lies a clever diversionary tactic, a devious strategy that transcends mere vanity. The cultivation of a majestic beard and a moustache to boot, craftily drawing the gaze of the onlooker, the bystander, to facial follicles instead. Baldness can be a blow to one's confidence, but when life gives you lemons, make lemonade instead. And in this case, the lemonade is a lush facial forest that distracts and successfully from the barren landscape on the top. Just as a magician employs cunning deception and misdirection to captivate an audience, a well-groomed beard and moustache can divert attention from the lack of follicular abundance on the top. And as is exemplified in this young male who was unfit for a hair transplant since he was very young, and he had to bide his time till he was ripe of age, the age of 25. So till he was 25, he took my advice, the strategy of a beard that takes the attention away from your balding head. And he was always stealing the show with his magnificent beard and moustache to boot. And with the comb over, which you can see, he hid his balding head. But after the result of a hair transplant set in after he was 25, he went back to his clean-shaven state. This tells you why he sported a beard for 4 long years till he was eligible for a hair transplant. And he was so very successful with this diversionary tactic. What a wonder. Indeed, facial hair has been hailed as a symbol of virility and masculinity. And as the saying goes, a man without a beard is like a lion without a mane. Just as the lion's mane denotes strength and prowess, a well-cultivated beard signifies power and confidence. And as many successful people who have been balding have taken this path, if you're not a candidate for hair transplant, this surely is a path worth considering. Because such a powerful symbol of authority, of masculinity, of being an alpha male is bound to divert attention from your baldness. By embracing this natural adornment, individuals with thinning hair can reclaim their sense of self-assurance, standing tall amidst societal expectations and prevalent norms. Furthermore, the cultivation of facial hair does offer a canvas for self-expression. Much like an artist's palette, a beard and a mustache allow for creativity and individuality, much more than a head full of hair can give. From the classic full beard to the distinguished handlebar mustache, the options are as varied as the colors on a painter's palette. Through experimentation and grooming, individuals can sculpt their facial hair into a masterpiece, turning heads and sparking admiration wherever they go, completely utilizing the magnificence of their beard that they proudly sport to strategically eclipse attention away from their balding head. Moreover, facial hair serves as a symbol of timeless wisdom, a symbol of timeless experience. Just as a wise sage imparts knowledge with each spoken word, a bearded individual exudes a sense of sagacity and insight. As the saying goes, with age comes wisdom, but with a beard comes even more. In a world obsessed with youth and vitality, embracing one's natural aging process can be a revolutionary act, challenging current societal norms and redefining standards of manhood, of masculinity. The beard of a balding man is a complete game changer. So this is one option worth considering if you're not a candidate for a hair transplant, because the cultivation of facial hair offers a timeless solution to the age-old problem of baldness. By diverting eyeballs from the balding head to the face, individuals can reclaim their confidence and command attention with each and every stride. Just as a skilled artist manipulates light and shadow to create a masterpiece, those with thinning hair can craftily utilize facial hair to redefine their appearance and captivate onlookers. So embrace your beard, nurture your mustache, and let your facial follicles unfold a story of strength, of wisdom, and unapologetic self-expression. After all, in the grand tapestry of life, baldness is but a minor detail amidst the splendor of a well-groomed beard and mustache. So thank you for watching yet again. If you have any questions about hair loss, about hair transplant, about hair loss medication, both for men and women, or anything related to a hair transplant in India at our clinic, Darling Buds Clinic in Chandigarh and Mumbai, do let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section below. For personalized consultations, please leave your pictures on the WhatsApp number provided above. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and God bless you.